Today, we're diving into how to connect your Confluence knowledge base to Azure AI Search. We'll explore the challenges, costs, and a much simpler alternative for your AI agent. So, what are we covering? We'll define the connector, look at 3 ways to build it, understand the complex costs, and finally, discover a simpler alternative. The key takeaway here is that you don't always need a custom build. Ultimately, the goal is to get instant, accurate answers from your internal documents. While connecting Confluence to an AI agent is a common objective, creating a robust Azure AI Search connector is actually much trickier than it sounds. You might be wondering, what exactly is an Azure AI Search Confluence connector? Well, it's essentially a bridge between Microsoft's powerful cloud search service and your Confluence wiki. Its big job is to crawl content, respect permissions, and keep the search index constantly updated. But here's the catch. Microsoft doesn't provide a ready-made one for you. Since there isn't a simple connect button, you're left with 3 main approaches to build this bridge. Each option comes with significant trade-offs in terms of your time, money, and frankly, your sanity. First up is the DIY approach, which many engineering teams initially consider. This typically involves writing a custom script, often in Python, to use the Confluence REST API to pull data and then the Azure SDK to push it into your Azure AI Search index. However, the DIY route comes with significant downsides. It's a massive upfront development effort, requires continuous maintenance as APIs change, and most critically, accurately mirroring Confluence's complex permissions is a nightmare, posing a major security risk if not done perfectly. Next, let's look at the platform approach. You might think Microsoft has a solution, and while they offer tools like the M365 Copilot connector or Azure Logic apps, these are really designed for different use cases. Trying to use them for this specific problem is often like trying to move a piano with a scooter. It's just not the right tool for the heavy lifting. Finally, there's the third-party approach. Given this common challenge, some companies have developed and sell their own pre-built connectors. But be prepared for sticker shock. These are enterprise-grade tools with the price tags to match, and you'll often face a long sales cycle with limited control over the black box indexing process. Beyond the build, understanding Azure's pricing model can be a real headache. Your Azure AI Search bill isn't a single number. It's a mix of different fluctuating charges for things like service tiers, scale units, semantic ranking, and agentic retrieval. This multi-variable pricing makes it incredibly difficult to predict your monthly spend, and your bill can spike unexpectedly. If all of that sounds exhausting, you're not alone. For most teams who simply need a working AI solution, times now asterisk, there's a much more direct route available. This simpler alternative is a platform like eesel AI. Comparing the build versus buy options, eesel AI offers significant advantages. While custom Azure connectors involve weeks or months of setup and unpredictable costs, eesel AI provides one-click integrations, clear flat rate pricing, and virtually no maintenance, getting you up and running in minutes. What's great is that with eesel AI, you can easily build an internal AI assistant for Slack or an autonomous agent for your help desk that actually resolves tickets, all without writing a single line of code. You get answers, not infrastructure headaches. Ultimately, the goal is to focus on getting fast, accurate answers from your company's knowledge, not on the complex plumbing to make it happen. Building a custom connector inevitably pulls your focus into managing infrastructure. So, why is building a connector yourself so challenging? Well, it involves significant technical hurdles, like handling complex authentication, parsing HTML, and managing continuous updates. Plus, you inherit the incredibly difficult task of mirroring Confluence's permission structures, which, if done incorrectly, poses a major security risk. Ready for instant answers without the complexity? Stop wrestling with custom connectors and unpredictable pricing. Visit the eesel AI website today to get a powerful AI assistant that just works, simplifying your knowledge management.